The ruling party ZANU-PF has thrown its weight behind President Emmerson Mnangagwa in the party's decision to extend his second term in final term from 2028 to 2030. This follows recent calls from Mnangagwa's resignation by Central Committee member Blessed Geza and some war veterans who accuse him of constitutional violations, escalating corruption, and betraying the ideals of liberation struggle. Sanabina Mashkwatono kuti vana Blessed Geza in their bid to stop the 2030 vision. Panguva ino tinoona Muchangwa they issued a statement vanokwa kunzi Muchangwa mukomana anozikanwa kuti ndomukomana kumawo veterans ari against mashoko ari uyatokonana na Blessed ara Geza ndoti subscribe or like on the bell icon tipina pana pabno mobudani kwa mchinzi Geza and several other war veterans are opposed to resolution number 1 from the ZANU-PF annual National People's Conference held in Bulawayo in October 2024, which calls for the extension of Mnangagwa's term beyond 2028. In a statement issued on Wednesday, February 5, ZANU-PF Secretary for Information and Publicity and the party spokesperson Christopher Muchangwa said that the party would take disciplinary action against Geza for his remarks, said Muchangwa. Timna Mashuko Muchangwa Mdanyura achiti. The outlandish, reasonable, and egregious rendings of Iran Tirunesu Geza offended the hallowed tenets of party discipline for a member of the Central Committee. They also involved reckless attempts to accept the credentials of all veteran entities in good standing with the ZANU-PF, the party of the Permanent Zimbabwe Revolution. The relevant party organs of organization and discipline are currently seized with his contravention as it is holistically and expeditiously handled and dispensed with. Tomashukwa nokuda itoko panapa nokumana vana Muchangwa vachiti aiwa vakomana vana Geza mashoko akabuda vachitaura against mutungamiri wenyika nekustopa isi vision 2030 aiwa mashoko iwawo akakanganisa bato rapo toona kuti vanhu panapa vachiona vana Muchangwa panguva ino vachienda against mashoko ana Geza unyatsokuona kuti aiwa vana Muchangwa panguva ino vari vanhu vaizikanwa kuti aiwa ndo vakomana vari kuma veterans vanatsoratidza kuti aiwa maybe they are gaining benefits from the party sezvamuri kuona ma war veterans panguva inoi vari kuya vachigunun'una noda kwokuti their welfare it has been neglected yakakanganikwa havasi kukwanisa kuwana what they fought for during the liberation war. Tudze mafunguro inbina comment section medu tudze mauti kudi pamusoro pechitwi chipina comment section medu musano subscribe or like chat on the bell icon.